This question is about a company that is selling a t-shirt on the website. And people buy t-shirts in a particular amount. They buy some, but some of them are returned. And therefore, we have a graph that is showing us the t-shirt that was sold and the t-shirts that were returned. And for example, in month 1, we can see that we sold 300 t-shirts, but 50 of them were returned. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. Which month had the greatest percentage increase in the number of t-shirts sold compared to the previous month? So when your question is looking for percentage, you think about fraction. Why? Because we change fraction to a decimal, and then decimal we change to percentage. So what kind of a fraction is it? This is a fraction of increase compared to previous month. And we are looking at t-shirts that were sold, not returned. And in this case, we are looking at a specific month 3 and month 5. So on the top of the fraction, we're going to have increase. And then at the bottom of the fraction, we're going to have previous month. And in this case, what we are looking for is the number of t-shirts sold, isn't it? And the same here, number of t-shirts sold. Okay, so if I'm looking at particular month 3, that means an increase. I'm looking at the previous month, so I'm looking at month 3 and month 2. Previous month is month 2. So month 2 will be the previous one. And how do we calculate an increase? Well, we look at the difference between month 3 and month 2. So let's put numbers to that. So month 3 and month 2. So in month 2, we sold 300 t-shirts, and in month 3, we sold 350. So in month 3, 350 t-shirt minus month 2, 300, and that divided by month 2, which is 300. Now, if we put that in the calculator, the value we're going to get, let's see, 350. Sorry, I need to put that in the calculator. So 350 minus 300 and divided by 300. So we're going to get 0.16666 and 6. Now, how do we change decimal to percentage? We either multiply by 100 or we take that decimal and we move 2 places. So that means 16.6666%. Now, how do we have to give our answer? Well, actually, they are not saying it, but if we round it up, let's say to 1 decimal place, so we cut off 6, therefore, because it's greater than 5, we have to add up 1. Here we're going to get 16.7%. Now let's look at month 5. So in month 5, we are saying month 5 minus the previous month will be month 4, and then divided by previous month, which is month 4. So let's see what are the numbers for month 5 and 4. So month 5 here, the t-shirts were sold here was what? 450, and the previous month 4, the t-shirts sold were 400. Okay, let's put those numbers in. So 450 month 5 minus month 4, 400, and then divided by 400. And again, we put that in the calculator and we press equal, and the answer we should be getting is 0.125. So again, to change that to percentage, we multiply by 100 or we move that decimal 2 places. So that means 12.5%. So where is the greater increase? 16%. So month 3, our justification is the calculation that we've done here. Now, percentage increase, percentage decrease, this is very common on your exam.